next storm team.
We're here at the summer reading wrap-up party.
And there were a lot of kids that signed up for that summer reading program. Always a great thing to do during the summer. And the weather, well, today pretty nice, except in the south central, mainly south of Bismarck, and to the southeast. Right now, looking at the KX cam, looks like pretty decent conditions around Bismarck. The temperatures have cooled off a little bit in the 60s. A lot of this will be rain-cooled air. Medina only 60 degrees right now. Ashley at 59, but you get away from the rain. City, Montana at 80 degrees. And the wind is roughly 5 to 15 miles an hour. Don't see anything stronger on this map, so not a terribly windy day. This is the water vapor imagery, and this is moisture well up into the atmosphere. And where you see the blues, that's where there's a lot of convection going on. You can actually see it just kind of grow like that. But you notice where all this moisture is? It's getting out of here. All these darker colors would be drier air. And when we look at the up into Canada, I see a little convection going on there. I think a little bit around Regina, just a little bit, but these aren't real big storms. And looking at the radar, well, there's that rain that continues to track east. A lot of it's over Edgeley and points to the east. A little bit of rain, a couple of lightning strikes in parts of McLean County. Looks like Oliver and Mercer County, and also a couple of lightning strikes down to the southwest. I think that was near Amadon. Well, northeast of Amadon, maybe 5 or 6 lightning strikes there. So these aren't big storms. Maybe some a little heavier rain north of Mott. And around here we are. It looks like something possibly developing just to the northwest of the water there. So if you're going to be heading out to the lake tonight, there might be a couple lightning strikes. And remember, if you're on the lake, you're probably the tallest thing out there. Up into Canada, we have a couple little showers here, there, a couple lightning strikes around Carlisle, and maybe, oh boy, it looks like Burke County. A couple little showers there moving into Montreal County, but none of these are real big. And when the sun goes down tonight, a lot of this energy is going to go away. And by 7 o'clock tonight, most everything should be off to the east, but we still have that chance of a couple of sprinkles, maybe a shower by later on tonight. A lot of areas with clear sky. Maybe not so much in the north because of what's going on in Canada as it continues to move south. But it's not like we're going to get dumped on or anything. And by tomorrow morning, most of us will start off with a fairly clear day. A few clouds here or there. Shouldn't be windy tomorrow either. And then by tomorrow evening, it looks like if there's any action, most of it's going to be up into Canada. So we should have a pretty nice day. Now, Saturday, here we are Saturday morning. It looks at least like early in the morning. The southwest, according to this forecast model, has the highest odds for rain. Now, Saturday is the Make-A-Wish benefit motorcycle ride. And if you have a motorcycle, join us. It's actually leaving from the Harley store just south of Minot. Amber Wheeler and Alicia Huck are going over the edge for the YWCA. That'll be in Minot as well. That's on Saturday. This model's keeping the rain out of Minot for most of the day, but does bring it into Bismarck. Other forecast models do have rain farther north, by the way. So this is just my optimist forecast here. But that's what it's showing, and you can see how it moves out fairly quickly by Saturday night. The next 72 hours for Dickinson. Saturday with the best chance of rain, and for Williston, it looks like pretty decent chance of rain on Saturday. Forecast lows tonight will be in the 50s, and then daytime highs tomorrow will start heating back up into the 80s. Here's a look at the next 7 days, and we have summer-like temperatures for the next several days. You know, Lauren, I know summer's not over. It's not even close to being over, but except for Saturday, it's going to feel like summer again.
All right, finally.